Hello guys, welcome to the English Easier with Eric. In this video, you will listen to some daily English conversations in different situations and places. Definitely, you will learn useful vocabulary, phrases and improve your English speaking and listening skills. Let's take a look.
Why did the chicken cross the playground? To get to the other slide.
Tom and Lisa are at the park with their kids, watching them play on the playground equipment.
Hey, look at that chicken over there. It's trying to cross the playground.
Ha, that's funny. I wonder why it's trying to do that.
Maybe it's trying to get to the other side.
No, I think it's trying to get to the other slide.
Haha, good one. That chicken sure looks determined though.
Yeah, it's funny how animals sometimes act like people. They have their own agendas and goals.
Speaking of goals, did you see the game last night? Our team won in overtime.
No, I didn't. I was too busy trying to finish that book for my book club.
Oh yeah, how is that book? Is it a page turner?
Yeah, it's really good. It's about a woman who travels the world and has all sorts of adventures.
Sounds interesting. Maybe I'll have to borrow it from you when you're done.
Sure, I'd be happy to lend it to you. Speaking of lending, I think our kids are done playing on the playground. We should probably head home and get them some lunch.
Good idea. Let's gather them up and head out.
What do you call fake spaghetti? An impasta.
Emma and Liam are at an Italian restaurant, looking over the menu when Liam spots something funny.
Hey, check this out. The menu says they have gluten-free pasta, but it's not real pasta. It's made from rice flour.
So, it's not really pasta then?
No, it's an impasta.
Ha, that's a good one. You always make me laugh with your puns.
I try my best. Speaking of pasta, what are you thinking of ordering?
I think I'm going to go with the spaghetti carbonara. What about you?
I'm not sure. I usually get the lasagna, but I think I want to try something different tonight.
How about the linguine with clams? It's one of their specialties.
That sounds good. I'll give it a try.
As they wait for their food, Liam decides to keep the puns going.
You know what they say, pasta la vista, baby.
Ha, very funny. You never run out of pasta puns, do you?
Nope, I'm full of them. I guess you could say I'm a positively punny guy. Haha, okay, that one was a bit of a stretch. But I still love you anyway.
Thanks, I love you too. And I promise I'll try to keep the puns to a minimum for the rest of the night. What do you get when you cross a snowman and a shark? Frostbite. Mike and Sarah are sitting by the fireplace, enjoying some hot cocoa and telling jokes.
Hey, Sarah, have you heard the one about the snowman and the shark?
No, I haven't. What is it?
What do you get when you cross a snowman and a shark? Frostbite.
That's a good one. I love silly jokes like that.
Me too. It's a good way to lighten the mood and forget about the stresses of the day.
Speaking of stress, have you finished that report for work yet? I know it's been giving you a lot of trouble.
Not yet, but I'm working on it. It's just hard to focus sometimes when there's so much going on.
I understand. Maybe you should take a break and come back to it with fresh eyes later.
That's a good idea. Maybe I'll take a walk outside and get some fresh air.
That sounds like a good plan. Just be careful not to cross any snowmen or sharks on your walk, or you might end up with frostbite.
Haha, I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for the laugh, Sarah. You always know how to brighten my day.
You're welcome, Mike. That's what friends are for. How does a penguin build its house? Igloos it together. Rachel and Tom are watching a nature documentary about penguins and their habitats.
Wow, look at those penguins building their igloos. It's amazing how resourceful they are.
Yeah, they're pretty impressive creatures. Did you know that they build their nests out of stones and feathers to protect their eggs from the cold?
No, I didn't. That's really interesting. How do they keep their eggs warm?
They take turns incubating them, with one penguin sitting on the egg while the other goes out to hunt for food.
That's really cool. I never knew penguins were so smart.
Yeah, they're definitely one of my favorite animals. Speaking of animals, did you hear the joke about how a penguin builds its house?
No, I haven't. What is it?
How does a penguin build its house? Igloos it together.
Haha, that's hilarious. I love puns like that.
Me too. They're a fun way to make people laugh and brighten their day.
Speaking of brightening people's day, I have to get going to my volunteer shift at the hospital. Thanks for watching the documentary with me, Tom. It was really interesting.
You're welcome, Rachel. Have a great day at the hospital, and don't forget to tell some penguin jokes to the patients.
Haha, I will. Thanks, Tom. See you later.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time.
Smart ways to improve your speaking skills.
Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. Some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight.
And that's it for today's English lesson. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and we'll do our best to respond. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future English lessons. And if you want to take your English learning to the next level, check out our channel more often. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you in the next English lesson.